the log chat folder on WhatsApp. So if you see your WhatsApp and if you do this, you would find this option which is log chats, which is like actually not very helpful, and how you can fix it. So simply tap on log chats, get into the settings, and here tap on the three vertical dots on the top right hand side. Tap on chat log settings. In this option there is an option to hide log chat. Simply tap on this thing, turn it on, and here tap on create a secret code. Now your code could be anything, any number, any name, any alphabet, any emoji. So I just using this emoji. Let's suppose we are using this emoji. The secret code that we are going to search is this. Tap on done. Now you have turned on the settings. Now if we go back to the WhatsApp, as you can see there is no chat logs here. Now simply tap on search bar. Here search the emoji that you have set. Now, as you can see it is unlocked, and here is the log chat. So this is how you can do it, and the same way go for turning it off. I hope you found the video helpful.